Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with my another video. This video is about some very foot care routine, which is very important to keep your feet healthy. And today we're talking about one of the most important but often ignored part of self-care, which is foot care. Your feet carry you every single day, and they deserve just as much love as your face and hands. And it's important to cleanse and soak, like being by soaking your feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add salt or a few drops of essential oil to relax your muscle and to soften your skin. And the exfoliation also work very nice for your skin to remove all the dead skins, like use a gentle scrub or some stone to remove dead skin, and this keep your feet soft and prevent cracks, especially on the heels. And always apply moisturizer, like hydration is the key. Apply a nourishing foot cream or natural oil like coconut or olive oil and massage gently to improve blood circulation and relieve stress. And nail care, trim your nails straight across to prevent ingrown toenail and gently file the edges of the neat finish. Keeping nail clean and healthy add to overall foot hygiene. And protect, like wear clean cotton socks to lock in moisture overnight, or finish with a touch of nail polish for a beautiful pedicure look. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care.